Good morning, children. Today we will learn about Chapter 5 Coal and Petroleum. See, children, we use various materials for our basic needs. Some of them are found in nature, while some have been made by human efforts. So, what are these materials termed as? These materials are termed as resources. You might have studied in your previous classes also. Key resources are the materials that are used to satisfy our basic needs. So as per definition, हम define कैसे कर सकते हैं इसे? Anything which can be used by human for their survival or welfare are called resources. In this way, we can define resources. Now, resources can be of two types: natural and man-made. As the name only incurs, natural means they are obtained from nature. आप देखते हो नेचर से आप क्या चीज़ें यूज़ कर सकते हो. We use oxygen for breathing. Plants use carbon dioxide to make food, and plants are used by us for our food and other products also. Air, water, soil, forest, wildlife, coal, petroleum, minerals, etc. are the examples of natural resources. Now, next is man made. As the name incurs, it is made by human. That means the substances, the materials, the things which are made by humans to satisfy our needs are called man-made resources. For example, paper, benches, railways, plastic, glass, rubber, metal sheet, bridges made up of metal, etc. Now, when we talk about natural resources, then we will see that on the availability, that means on the basis of the availability of natural resources, they are classified into two types: inexhaustible and exhaustible. Now, from the name only it is clear. Inexhaustible means जो कभी खत्म ना हो. Okay, that means resources present in unlimited quantity in nature and are not likely to be exhausted by human activities. For example, sunlight, air, water. Next is exhaustible resources. That means resources that are present in limited amount in nature and can be exhausted by human activities. For example, forest, wildlife, minerals, coal, petroleum, natural gas, topsoil, as well as fresh water also we can term as exhaustible. Now, children, have you ever thought of the thing, the condition that if these exhaustible resources get vanished from the environment, then what will happen? Our future generations will not get these resources, then what will happen? So, thinking about this, what precaution we should take to conserve, to save these resources? We should follow the conservation of natural resources. That means wise and careful use of resources to make ensure that these resources can be made available for our future generations. And in this chapter, we are going to study about coal, petroleum, and natural gas. One by one, I will tell you about their formation, about the uses of coal, petroleum, and natural gas, and also the products obtained from coal and petroleum. Now, before that, we should know that these coal, petroleum, and natural gas are called fossil fuels. Now, why are they termed as fossil fuel? Fossil का मतलब होता है something which is obtained by the dead remains of living organism, and fuel means any substance which is on burning produces heat. Now, these coal, petroleum, and natural gas is called fossil fuel because they are formed from the dead remains of living organism. Now, we will study about all these three one by one. Thank you.